Hello. I've got another product from BenQ for unboxing today. I have to be put together and all that stuff for review. So, but it is the ScreenBar e-reading lamp, as you can see, and it is $99 on Amazon right now. Prime shipping, of course. It's auto dimming, space saving, glare free, and it's USB powered as well. What they call mood lighting, but it's adjustable color temperatures like other ones. You can use warm light for relaxing and, replenishing your energy, as they say. And cool light is for concentration and boost your efficiency. But on Amazon, it's called the Learning Resources ScreenBar Black BenQ e-reading LED task lamp with auto dimming U adjustment, eye care, no screen glare or flicker, matte black USB powered office lamp. Now I've looked at BenQ products before, and I love them. I have two of their regular lamps, and this one looks interesting, so I was happy to accept it for review because they make great products. But instructions are on the back here. It's very, very simple. You just, as shown, insert ScreenBar into clip, extend the counterweight, plug it in. Not much to it, right? But let's check it out here. All I did was cut the tape off of the edges. It's just arrived, so I don't even really know what's in here. But open up the little cardboard box and padding in there, but then there's a warranty packing slip or something. But we have okay, it's all labeled: USB power cable, clip, fits 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter monitors, manual dimmer, lamp, micro USB port, power, auto dimmer, light sensor, and U adjustment. But let's see. Oh, I guess there's nothing else under there, huh? Wow, there's not much to it, and it's really light. Yeah, and I have a 27-inch monitor, and it's not quite that long. But here's the lamp here. There's all the LEDs in the bottom, of course. Now, when you put this on your monitor, it's actually at an angle, so it's not on the screen. It's on your desk. The light is on your desk here. But if we look at this here, U adjustment. And then the light sensor is somewhere over there, it looks like. Power, auto dimmer. We got touch sensitive buttons, of course. And there's our USB power port there. Let's slide this back in. Here is the counterweight clip. And wow, yeah, it's really, really heavy. It's a solid piece there. Basically, the lamp clips on like so, like that, into there with the USB port sticking through, and you put this on your monitor. You can, I believe you can adjust it one way or another. Yeah, it sits that way. Thought you can adjust it. Oh yeah, you can. I'm sorry, but there's a tape on it, I guess. Whoops. And of course a regular micro USB cable, which is what it is. But let's see here. Extend the counterweight. Ensure the mounting arm permanent pliable range monitor frame thickness is 1 to 3 centimeters. Oh, okay, so the whole thing just moves back and forth. And it's rubber on this side and here as well to keep it in place. And what this does is essentially, and it pushes against there like so on the back of your monitor and holds it in place. But this is the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp, and I can't wait to test it out here. I love their products, their lamps especially. But it's $99 on Amazon. Let me test it out, check it out here. I'll show you some pictures of it attached to my monitor and all that, and there will be a link to the full review down below in the description once it's posted live. Thank you.